inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight.
Welcome back to the channel everyone. Such a gorgeous morning in Katagla and it's a day 2 and today we are going Malana. It's 11 a.m. and it's cold outside and we had some light breakfast, soaked up some good sunshine and beautiful view of course, and now we are back on the road. So we have no vehicle and ये मेरे friend की कार है, but we are not taking this. We will do some hitchhiking because यहाँ से कोई टैक्सी या बस मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. Till Zari, I guess that's what they told us. वहाँ से कोई कैब और टैक्सी मिल जाएगा. कटागला to Malana is about 16 to 17 kilometers. तो अभी हमें पता नहीं हमें कितना चलना पड़ेगा. But meanwhile, look at this view, these trees, these forests and everything. So after walking for several kilometers, एक कार वाले सज्जन ने, actually there were two guys, they were very nice people, they agreed to drop us till here. That's good, thanks to them. So this is the official taxi point and अब यहाँ से we inquired we can get a cab and alto for around 900 bucks till Malana village gate and वहाँ से ट्रैक करके जाना पड़ेगा to the main village. So let's go. यहाँ डैम और टनल का भी काम चल रहा है and the view is as always amazing, isn't it?
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something.
We found some snow here. Hopefully ऊपर जाके भी मलाना में भी थोड़ी बहुत snow मिले as there was a snowfall a few days back. Although it looks sunny, but it's very cold out here. And can you see that snow-capped mountain? We have to go to the opposite side of it. Malana village is there. It's 1 p.m. already and we hope we could trek the distance of 4 to 6 kilometers up there, visit, buy some and have some fun there and then come back here on time.
Tonight
This Malana village has a very ancient and rich history, and it is located in the central of Himachal Pradesh, surrounded by Parvati Valley. Although I know no one wants to learn about the history here, everyone is just interested in the most important information and the thing which Malana is world famous for, that is Malana cream, the finest hashish or charas one could find in India, and that's the same reason we have came here. Coming back to the topic of hashish, you can just go there, buy, smoke however you want, and cannot bring down from the village. That's what our driver uncle is also saying. But usually people do bring some by hiding it. It's not a big deal. But sometimes police can search you and confiscate it, and the consequences can be very bad, and you can land in some serious trouble. So seriously, just don't do that. We have almost reached, and it was so damn tiring as this trek is very steep and these people go up and down like this every single day, and they were trekking like jogging and running. Hats off to them. हम तो पूरे रास्ते इतनी बार स्टॉपेज लिए, इतनी बार पूछा कि अब कितना दूर है. We were out of breath, can't even trek this mountain and wants to go Everest. Lol. अभी तक तो इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही थी as we were so layered up with warm clothes, and now as we are on the other side of the mountain, no more sun and back to the winter chills. ये बच्चे कितने क्यूट लग रहे हैं, वाओ. एंड आई ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू स्लाइड लाइक दिस विद देम, बट इनमें से एक की वजह से आई जस्ट स्लिप्ड हियर बिकॉज आई वाज अनेबल टू मूव ड्यू टू ब्लैक आइज एंड ही कुडंट स्वर्व टू अवॉइड हिटिंग मी, एंड ही हिट मी एंड माई कैमरा, एंड नाउ माई बैक इज इन पेन. So now I'm giving you the whole tour of the village, and this is Malana village, which has a lot of secrets and rules, but it tops when it comes to the beauty in any season. We found a very helpful uncle as we were looking for some place to eat something because we are starving, and he's taking us around. This village is known as world's oldest democracy. So when it comes to buy the stuff, buy from all local people, not just from youngsters or anybody, as you will find so many people, even women and kids, selling stuff here. You can get easily scammed, so this is a little tip, as old people seems more reliable, and that way you can get the best stuff at best price. So one strange thing I have noticed, that they won't let you touch them. When you buy something from them, you just have to put the money by the side and they'll put the thing by the side, and you just exchange like this, and there will be no hand contact. They are really serious about this thing, and they don't let any outsider touch them and their belongings. So we were walking around this village, but we couldn't find a single place to eat, and there are very fewer places to stay and eat in Malana, and that too they're outside the village. You can find small kirana shops, Maggie and chai points at the beginning and the end of the village, but not in the proper village area. A guy is helping us out and taking us there to a restaurant or something, but you can see the way is very slippery and we don't know how far is it, and it's almost 4 p.m. Also, we need to descend and get back to Katagla, our hostel, and the way is full of forest and everything. And even if it gets late, but we cannot stay over here in Malana because nothing is open here. So it's better to go back to our hostel. We are going back. Isn't it beautiful watching a lovely sunset in the mountains while crossing a bridge with gushing river beneath it? There are only few moments in life which cannot be described in words, pictures can only be felt. This peace, wilderness, cold weather, everything here is just surreal. So, if you're coming here during summers or monsoons or maybe after Corona, your experience will be quite different, and you can definitely find a place to stay over here. There will be more crowd, and you can see a lot of tourists also. And there are lots of treks and valleys to explore near this village. So, just plan a stay for 1 or 2 days or maybe more, and have a nice experience over here. Look at this beautiful sky, glimpse of moon and colors of sun coming all together, making the view more magnificent and our experience splendid. The camera can't do justice. You just need to come here to experience all this, and it is definitely worth it. Actually, we descended really quickly and about to reach the taxi point on time, where the cab driver is waiting, the one who got us here, and he agreed to take us to our hostel also, to Katagla. So I guess we are done for the day. A day definitely well spent. And don't forget to like and share the video to your friends and subscribe the channel for crazy upcoming episodes in this series.